Please enjoy this next video with US Classic Muscle Cars. Please make sure to also like, subscribe, and share the...
What I enjoy about it is the process of putting it back together.
Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. We have here...
My name's Nate Levitt.
Nice to meet you, Nate. Nice to meet you, Nate. I am Chocolate, and I want to ask a few questions about your beautiful car.
Sure,
I would like to ask, what make and model is this?
This is a 1969 Ford Mustang. It's a sports roof.
Okay, can you tell me a little bit about your car?
Yeah, it's what's unusual about it is the engine. It's got a 428 Super Cobra Jet engine in it.
Oh,
It's the drag pack car, so it's got a 430 rear gear. So it was designed to go fast in a straight line.
okay. Have you drove it fast in a straight?
A little bit.
Okay,
Maybe
you
a little
to the
bit.
track with it?
It hasn't been on the track since we finished restoration, but
Okay.
maybe a little bit on the street.
Oh, okay. Well, can you tell me about the wheels and rims of your car?
Yeah, these are kind of unusual. The car was ordered very limited amount of options on it. So it has very little options. These are called, the common name, they call them poverty caps or dog dish hubcaps.
Okay.
They were the cheapest you could get.
Okay, so they're not original.
That is original, that's proper original wheel and tire combination for that car.
Okay, can you tell me about the beautiful color, this finish? What color is this?
It's called Acapulco Blue.
Acapulco blue. Okay, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Are you planning to add anything else to it?
Well, this is probably the way it's going to be.
The way it's gonna be?
Yep. We tried to restore it to factory correct,
Oh, you trying to?
as it should have come from Ford.
Okay. How long did it take? How many years did it take to?
We
get
bought the
this?
car in 2013 and we finished it probably 4 years ago.
4 years ago. Okay, all right. And would you let your wife drive this car?
Sure,
Okay, she
pretty
likes
easy.
fast cars too?
pretty easy to drive other than it's manual steering and manual brakes. So
It's manual? Oh,
it's-
wow.
it's Armstrong steering.
Oh, wow, get out of here. Oh, and what kind of engine do we have?
That's a 428 Super Cobra Jet engine, 428 cubic inches.
Oh, okay. And how many horsepower do
They
we
were
have?
rated from Ford at 335.
Oh, wow.
Realistically, they were probably more than that. At that time, 1969, they underrated everything for insurance purposes. So
Oh, okay.
in order to keep the insurance costs down, they would claim it had a lot less horsepower than it probably did.
Oh, okay. So they was really whipping this around some tracks or somewhere back in the day, huh?
Back in the day.
This is a very beautiful car.
Thank you.
Any car show awards?
It has been through a couple of national MCA, Mustang Club of America, and got its gold awards there.
Oh,
It's also been through a Antique Auto Club of America.
oh,
So
okay.
you can see the medallion up on the front.
Oh, wow. Wow, that's impressive. It is. This is so impressive. So you and your dad did this together?
Yeah, with a lot of help.
Okay,
Lot
well,
of-
just with a lot of help. Well, thank you, and please subscribe to US Classic Muscle Cars YouTube channel, and thanks, and enjoy our video.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hi, welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. I have son number 2 to tell me about this car.
Well, this car, my dad has been restoring it. I've enjoyed going to the car shows with my father and my brother. Really enjoyed just
Being
taking the
together.
car and working on it, cleaning it, and just showing off the car. It's kind of a unique car.
Okay, thank you.
What I enjoy about it is the process of putting it back together. I like taking it apart, finding all the right special pieces, and then putting back together. I like the end product, but the process is much more fun for me.
Okay, so you enjoyed those years from 2013?
Yes, a year, and finding that one special part that's hard to find.
I know
That
that's
makes it, and finding it, and then restoring it, and putting it on the car. That's the fun part for me.
All right, so that's what makes your day.
Yeah.
You find it and build it and get it out.
And one of the hard parts to find
Was this medallion?
was this. This
That's
is
what your
called.
son was telling me.
That's called an oil cooler,
Oh,
and
never heard of that.
I found that out in California. and all the people you meet in the process of building these cars, that's what's fun too.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Well, it was nice interviewing you, and you have a wonderful day. And please
Well, thank you.
subscribe.
Please enjoy this next video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Leave us a comment as well. Thanks.